Boefeng Walkie talkie, and it's even real. So wait, let's flip it, and you'll go that side. So you go. Ah! Torture! I love torture. I can't. Ooh.
No, it's because of the tape. It's because of
Wait,
the tape.
let's get a scissors. Ew, come on, let's go.
We got a scissors in the kitchen.
Yes!
Oh,
yes! Wait, let's cut it more there. Never mind.
Oh,
yes!
right.
Let me open this since I told Daddy to order me, like, give me that. I was like, give me that. How to open this?
So slick, bro.
Wait, here. Oh, wait. Oh.
Oh, wait. Do we have to build it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, look at this, guys.
Okay, so
Oh my
we have
God.
to build it, actually. Okay, so let's build
Just
it.
be careful. Maybe it will sting you. Oh, look at the front. It looks so weird. Yeah, but it's real, guys. Whoa, I'm done with mine. Woo, never mind. Not.
You have
How to
like,
do
clip
this?
it.
Like clip it
Yeah, like this, like that. Yeah.
and then push it.
Yeah,
think you
okay.
clip
I
it and
snapped
push
it already. Alright, now we add the antennas.
What's antennas?
This antennas. You need to
Whoa.
twist it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to twist it.
Alright. Done. I'm done with my
Whoa,
walkie-talkie.
let's try it.
No, Andy, we need to charge it. Okay.
Where's the charger? Show them the
Here.
It's the
Here.
bigger boy. Whoa, you need to
Here
use
is
this.
the chargers. Oh wait, what's this?
Hey, it's charging.
What's this?
It's charging. Ali,
Daddy, what's this?
what's that? I don't know.
It's the clip,
What clip?
so you can put your finger.
Where's the pair?
Hey, Ali, let's charge ours now.
Like where?
Here, like go like this.
No, but
Okay, you say goodbye to the viewers.
okay. Goodbye.
Thank you guys and goodbye. See you all next week.